Hey, this is Wes Fryer, and this is my video about using the 3D printers and getting things loaded up to print. So, over here on our fancy PC, we're gonna load up the TinkerCAD print program. I have already downloaded from Google Drive the files that are from TinkerCAD that we are going to print, and so these are those files. So I will make sure that this is matching the model of the 3D printer I want, so I'm going to use the 170. We also have the 370, but since it's in use, I will use the 370. I'm going to come here and tell it, I can find my mouse, that I want to add models, and I'll go ahead and select all those with a Control A, open that up. The little exclamation points means there are some issues with those prints, and so I'm going to come over here to the corner and click on the second box where it says the errors are detected. I'll say repair all models, and usually that is going to result in all of them being fixed for whatever kinds of issues it may have. I'll return to the main menu. Then the last thing I need to do before I go ahead and say I need to print this is I'm going to change the infill. And so I'm going to come over here to where it says model settings, and I'm going to select the least infill density, the smallest infill density, which is 22. And I want to make sure I've got everything selected, which I do, and so that's good. So now all of these are going to print with the least amount of PLA. If I don't do that, then I risk using too much. These are going to print with black. This is the black. It's not PLA. I don't remember what it's called. This is the 3D printer. That's the filler. So anyway, I don't want to waste any of that. So looks like I've got that set now, and so I should be ready to go ahead and print. I don't know what that is. Looks like this is something that's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop my recording. Okay, I had to make a correction because that shape, we had some things that didn't fit, so I had to split it in TinkerCAD. Now I've got it in here, so I've got all of my 5 prints that are ready to go. None of them have errors, so I'll come over here and I'll say print. It's gonna go ahead and prepare it to print, and after it's prepared, again, I also had to change the infill size, so I set infill to the lowest density there, and after it is 100% prepared, it's going to spool, and then I have to go over here to the actual printer. It's going to queue the job. It's queued, so now I can come over here where it says it's ready. I can click here and see that I've got this print right here. It's ready to go. I go ahead and verify I'm all set. I've got everything locked, ready to go. Door locked, print, and it's going to go ahead and start. So it says it's going to take 6 hours and 24 minutes. The tray's going to raise, and it's going to go ahead and start its printing process like this one is. Ta-da! That's it.